An animal control department in Poland shared video of an officer's encounter with a wily woodpecker that appeared to confuse the man for a tree. The Lod Animal Patrol posted a video to Facebook showing the woodpecker, dubbed the Claw, climbing on an officer and pecking at the back of his neck. The officer and his colleagues laugh as the apparently confused bird pecks away at the collar of his shirt. The Animal Patrol said the Claw was rescued as a baby in June after he fell out of his nest. The bird was treated at the city's Wildlife Rehabilitation Center and released back into the wild, but officials said he still makes regular visits to the facility for food.